everyone, welcome to Color Our World with Art! Have you ever seen a snowflake through a microscope? Let's make one with straws today. These are the materials in the description. First, cut 2 straws into segments of about 7 cm each. Then, slotting the scissors into each end, cut small slits into the ends. Make these slits as fine as you want. Then, after cutting slits into all the ends, splay them open, like mini snowflake branches. Next, stack them on top of each other, in the shape of an asterisk, and pin them together using a pin, or glue them together, which is safer. And then continue to splay the ends until you get your desired snowflake. Lastly, cut a piece of string, tie a knot to make a loop, and glue the knot into one of the ends. Now you can hang your blown up snowflake on your Christmas tree or on the wall. Thank you for watching Color Our World with Art. Please don't forget to subscribe and see you soon.